Right, so in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you the best way on how you can create a project plan in Smartsheet. So make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. So here we are on Smartsheet, and here, as you can see, obviously you need to be logged in into your Google account. So first step, you need to just log in into your Google account. Once you're here, so you'll see a few options, just like start from the scratch and then choose a new workspace starting point, or you can directly choose a template. So choosing a template for project plan is very easy and you can directly make it. So you just need to press on view all templates. Once you press on it, you'll see a few options that are over here, but first up, you need to select your template solution. So right over here, you'll see all kind of templates you want, just like community created, community management, education, engage, and many more. So I'm just gonna go with company management, and then right over here, you can search of all solution templates. So let's say you're creating a plan, so just simply type in plan, and it will bring up sprint planning, campaign planning, and many different, but we're just gonna go with simple project plan. You just need to press on that, and then you'll see an option of create from template. So go ahead and press on that. Once it's done, it's just gonna set up your simple project plan. So you just gotta wait, and here you go. Now over here you can add people by their name, email, or group by just simply typing in their name, and you can also copy the name for this workspace to set it to others, but this is as easy as it gets. Now you got a simple project plan in Smartsheet. So yeah, this is it for this tutorial. I hope it actually helped you out. I'll see you soon in the next one. Until then, goodbye and peace out.